Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my garlic lemon chicken. I have 3 large chicken breasts, and I'll be cutting off the excess fat. I'll be cutting the chicken breast in half. I'll be placing the chicken breast between parchment paper and pounding it down so it's flat. That's what you're looking for. Take the other half and do the same. Get a lot of frustrations out. There you go. And I'll repeat the process on the next 2 chicken breasts. And there you have it. I'll clean up. Now that my chicken is all pounded out, I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I'll place it in this bowl. Along with 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I'll be using 2 garlic cloves that I'll mince up real good. This garlic lemon chicken is so quick and so good. You can either serve it with pasta, rice, potatoes, whatever side dish you like. Put the 2 garlic cloves in the butter and lemon. Now I'll zest 1 lemon. Get a fork, mix it around, add a little bit of salt and pepper. This smells good. It smells nice and clean. I love lemons. In my other bowl, I have some breadcrumbs. So I'll probably use about 1 cup. If you need more, just add more. I'll get everything out of the way. I have my baking dish and my oven is set at 350 and I'll bake this for about a half hour or until the chicken is done. So now I'll take 1 chicken breast I'll put it through the butter, the garlic, and the lemon juice with the salt and pepper. And then put the breadcrumbs over it. You want to make sure it's really coated good. And that's what it will look like. And I'll place that in my baking dish. And I'll keep repeating the process. That'll be the last one. Oh yeah. So it was about 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs that I used. Any extra garlic or butter that I have in this dish, I'm just going to drop on top. I'll rinse my hands. Now I'll take my lemon that I zest and just squeeze the juice on top. I'll place aluminum foil on top. And then place it in my 350-degree oven. Let it bake for 30 minutes or until done. And this lemon garlic chicken is super duper delicious. Cleanup duty. It's been 30 minutes. Now I'll take my garlic lemon chicken out of the oven. Ooh, does it smell good? Oh yeah, you can see how nice that browned up. This looks really, really, really good. Doesn't that look good? It smells super. So I'll leave the aluminum foil on top. I'm taking this over to the neighbor's house and we're having dinner over their house. So they're making the side dishes. I just brought the chicken. So I can't wait for them to try it. So thanks so much for tuning into Home Cooking with Cheryl and watching me make my garlic lemon chicken. It's really quick and really easy and real good. Please follow me on Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and especially ifood.tv. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye. Now off to my neighbor's house. And if you'd like, I also updated my website, CherylsHomeCooking.com. Check it out. Okay, I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.